Hello everyone, I am Manager Lee from Ningbo Longwell. Today, I would like to introduce one of our crossflow fans, the AC60300 dual unit model. The housing is made of galvanized sheet metal, the impeller is made of aluminum alloy, and it features maintenance-free ball bearings. The operating temperature range is approximately -25 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. This product is primarily used in applications such as underfloor heating, fireplaces, air purifiers, and air curtains. Additionally, it can be paired with our heating wire or PTC heating elements. To achieve heating functionality, the motor we use is an AC shaded pole motor, with a power rating of about 43 W, operating at 220 V/50 Hz. The heating wire power can range from 1000 W to 4000 W, and the fan speed can reach up to 2000 revolutions per minute. That's all about our AC dual unit crossflow fan. Of course, it can also be configured as a single unit model, with only one side operational, similar to the single unit version shown here. Heating elements such as heating wires or PTC can also be added for heating purposes.